Hello everyone, in this video I shall tell you how to perform a factor analysis. But before I start, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for factor analysis, I have taken these statements, 10 statements, and suppose my topic is the impact of ICT on the investment behavior of investors. So I've taken these 10 statements based upon my review of literature, and I'll try to find out what are the factors affecting investment behavior and how it is influenced by ICT. So in that case, what I've done is I feeded the data in SPSS, and the data looks like this, because in my questionnaire I've asked them to mark strongly agree for 5, agree 4, neutral 3, disagree 2 and strongly agree 1. So I've got the data from my respondents and I feeded it in the SPSS sheet. So I get this response, and I wanted to tell you the function of this key. You must have seen this. So this is how you do it. This is on this. So when you click this, you are able to see what responses were given by the respondents, by the investors. So this is the function of the key. You click it again and you will be able to see the responses in written form, and here when you click it again, you will be able to see it in numeral form. So this is the function key that helps you to see what is the explanation, what is the label given to the data. So these were the values that were given. So in that case, that will show from this point. So I'm in variable view. So I've given these values to these statements, and the values I had quoted: 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree and 5 for strongly agree. And if I go to data view, I'll be able to see the numeral values. But if I want to check what are the values in terms of agreement or disagreement, so I'll be able to see from this function key. So this is the benefit of this function key. So now I want to perform my factor analysis. So in that case, what I'll do is I'll go to analyze. I'll go to dimension reduction factor, and I would enter all these into my analysis in the variables section. Then I'll go to descriptives. So initial solution, I want an initial solution, KMO Bartlett test of severity, continue. Extraction, so I'll go to extraction. So this is by default principal component, and it will be principal component only based on eigenvalues greater than 1. So maximum iterations are. Now in this case, if I want to fix my factors, I can fix my factors. For example, I want to extract 3 factors out of these compulsorily, so I can fix these factors. Otherwise it is based upon their eigenvalues. I'll say continue. Rotation is none. We go to Varimax. So Varimax gives us the best results, so we go to Varimax. Score is, if you want to save the scores, you can save it. Otherwise the factor scores are useful for the purpose of analysis, but here we will not do anything, and we'll continue. Options and we'll sort by size. Sort by size means that the variables, those who are having more weights, will be given more weightage, and they'll obviously come before those who have less weight. So they'll be arranged in an order, descending order from the highest to the lowest. Suppress small coefficients. So in this case, I'll suppress the coefficients that are not important. In this case, the ratio is 50-50. So I'll mark those things. I'll take values more than 0.50. So I'll suppress the values which are below 0.5. So I'll continue and OK. So this is how I run my factor analysis. In my next video, I shall be telling you about the interpretation of these factors and how to name these factors. So thanks for watching the video, and keep watching for more details. Thanks.